Oh my goodness. It is literally midnight. I'm gonna try to head to bed now. I suffer insomnia, so that's why I say try. But I was gonna make a recap today. However, we did have all of our levels marked out on the session get hit today, so I wanted to go ahead and go over that real quick. What I saw, what I wanted to see happen, and what I took. Okay, so starting on the higher time frames, right? What do we see? We had a retracement. Well, first we had a breakthrough of these all-time highs, right, recently. Then we had a retracement here, respect this new day opening gap here, right? Took out this 4-hour low, and now it looks like we're heading for all-time highs again, right? So, what do I mark out? I mark out the all-time high, right? So now I go on the lower time frames. Pre-market, what do I see? London session. Mark out the London high, London low. And we also had this, see this gap here, where nothing's going on? That is what we call a new day opening gap. End dog. And that is it's basically a void or a fair value gap that price wants to see filled, but end dog is the term for it. And since we have been making our move back to all-time highs, right? Price is gonna have to do what? Go seek out sell side, buy side, and then sell side, right, to make its way up. So here in London session, what do we see? To the left, the other London session, right? Took that out immediately and looked like it respected it, okay? Before I continue with this, I should say on the 1 hour time frame, what do we see here, right? We see this nice 1 hour inefficiency right below where market. We're looking at just the yellow box here right now. What's below this, right? It's nice 3 candle displacement creating this 1 hour inefficiency. So I marked that out there, and I wanted to see that as potential draw of liquidity. And we get market open finally, right? We create this first percent fair value gap, and since we had this hourly low down here, fair value gap that I wanted to see filled, right? If price was bearish, this should have respected this first presented fair value gap after sweeping the London low, right? Because if not, we should have saw price completely disrespect this and go to the London highs. So it wasn't until price looked like it started hesitating that I went short here. Stop at this high, and I did close my position once price hit end dog down here. That was a nice little move for me, and decided to end the day there. Even though I was expecting it to take out this, not the Asia low, but fill this hourly inefficiency, I didn't want to be too greedy and just take my profits and run for it. And looking at this now, um, I'm glad that I was right on my analysis, even though price, look, what did it do? Came down, took out this Asia low, finally dug down into that hourly inefficiency that we saw marked out earlier, right? And look here, what's it do? Hit the consequent encroachment, respects it, comes down, sweeps the low that it engineered from hitting that consequent encroachment. And then what do? Respect that and work our way back up into some fair valuation, right? All this inefficiency back here. And yeah, so that was today's read. I wish every day was like clear and perfect like this. I'd be a millionaire by now, but that's where risk management comes in. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Hopefully I didn't go over my time limit. And hopefully today's session was nice and clear the way I explained it. Hopefully you guys started seeing things and piecing things together. Remember, higher time frames hold most power. Whatever happened on the higher time frames happened on the lower time frames. It's literally all the same thing. Don't overthink it. Look for draws of liquidity and find an entry towards that draw. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.